Hello, I'm Officer Knights. Let's play a new game called Dominoes. Dominoes is a family of tile-based games played with gaming pieces, commonly known as dominoes. Each domino is a rectangular tile, usually with a line dividing its face into two square ends. Each end is marked with a number of spots or is blank. The backs of the tiles in a set are indistinguishable, either blank or having some common design. You might have also seen this symbol outside the restaurant, namely Domino's Pizza in United States. One side, containing two dots, and the other one dot. The company, which was founded in Michigan in 1960, which orders numerous types of pizzas, and can sometimes be delivered via online. You'll learn about making pizzas from that guy Zoe. From these relations, we tried solitaires including playing cards, and probability of rolling a die. There are two activities of dominoes, either the solitaire ones, or four toppling ones. Now, from 0 dots to 6 dots on both sides like die, there are 7 C2 possibilities, that is 21 ways. Once you start with the use of 21 dominoes, both the same number of dots match together perpendicularly, in horizontal line, and vertical line respectively. This can create like a pattern of maze used in algorithms. Similarly, let's say 9 dots, no matter how far can it be. From 0 to 9, there are 10 C2 possibilities, equal to 45 ways. This can extend play in a same version. You can find out more possibilities can be obtained in a Pascal's triangle. On the other hand, dominoes can sometimes be toppled in a line. In this gameplay, no matter how far can be made in a line. This can be visually depicted three-dimensionally. Also, they can do in many different ways, using solid colors of dominoes. In the recent years, the famous domino builder and YouTuber, named Lily Hevsh, and made her own channel Hevsh5. In the domino show, there are more than millions of dominoes toppled. People enjoyed watching that on TV, and on YouTube too. So, this video is about dominoes. Like, comment, and subscribe now.